pala. Okay, so welcome po si ECC 111 and we will discuss the first two topics of partnership account. Okay. So yung first question here, yung first one is yung partnership formation, which is yung week 5, 15 to 16 na ULO. So the first one here is yung red, white, and blue. So RWB. So again, red, white, and blue form a partnership on May 1, 2009. They agreed that red will contribute an office equipment with a total fair value of 40,000. White naman will contribute delivery equipment with fair value of 80,000. And blue, which is yung question, kasi hindi siya given yung amount, will contribute cash. So if blue wanted a 1/3 interest in the capitals and profits of the partnership, okay, so 1/3 daw capital of the total capital would be kay blue. So how much will be the contribution of blue, or blue should contribute the following cash of, or the following of cash. Ayan, so A 40,000, B 60,000, C 120,000, or D 180,000. Now, so the answer for this one is letter
B, 60,000.
Tama, B. So hold on niyo ngayon. So the answer is letter B, 60,000. So how come it is 60,000? Ayan. So let's compute first for the contribution ni red and white kasi sila lang yung merong amount, di ba? So like for example, syempre kay red, wala namang iba, no? Kasi remember, non-current assets are recorded or measured at fair value. So fair value of the office equipment, 40,000. Saka yung white naman, yeah, meron siyang 80,000 as the fair value of the delivery equipment. So yung total contribution ni red and white is 120. Yeah. So 120 is actually how much of the total profit. So syempre, total contribution ng partnership. So it is 2/3. Bakit siya 2/3, guys? Kasi nga, di ba sabi sa problem, if you're going to take it this one as a whole, yeah. So itong circle, this is the total contribution sa partnership. So sabi dyan, 1/3 daw yung kay blue. So magkano yung space, yung excess space here? Kung 1/3 kay blue, therefore, magkano yung kay red and white? Ayan, so as a given ng 1/3 because sabi dyan sa problem, if blue wanted 1/3 in the capitals and profits of the partnership. So therefore, yeah, sabi kanina na, so 2/3. That's why 2/3 ang kay red and white. Ayan. So based on the 2/3, okay, so yung total contribution ni red and white, which is 120, i-divide mo yung 2/3. Okay, so 120 yung total contribution ni red and white, and divided by 2/3 to get the total contribution or total contribution sa partnership ni red, white, and blue. So yung total contribution sa partnership is 180. Now question, so may nagtanong sa akin, so how to compute daw or divide using fraction a number divided by a fraction. So siyempre, di ba, don't forget this one sa inyong math. Like for example, if 120 divided by 2/3, di ba, what you're going to do sa 2/3, yung fraction, i-reciprocate niyo siya, di ba? That's why 120, ayan. So 120 times 3/2. Okay? So dili na siya 120 divided by 2 divided by 3. Dili, no? Kasi nga, if it is fraction, 120, and then, itong 2/3 na fraction, i-reciprocate to, yung 3 magiging numerator, and yung 2 naman magiging denominator. And syempre, it will become, multiply. Magiging multiplication na yan siya. So that's why 120 multiplied by 3/2, so yung total contribution sa partnership is 180. Okay? So 180 yung total contribution. So total means yung total contribution niya ni red, white, and blue. And sabi sa problem, if gusto ni blue na 1/3 of the total capital ng partnership. Therefore, multiply mo lang yung 1/3. The answer is 60,000. Okay? Na gets ba? Sige ka ng 60,000. So, mga problems yun din, no? Kaya pang advance. Mga tibo ka siya nga problem. Question po for number 1. May question sa number 1 is... Wala may question? Na may question? Wala may question? Na may question?
Wala, sir.
Wala? Sure? Hindi kung wala. So, red 40, white 80, plus mong dalawa, 120 yung total kay red and white. Divided by 2/3 to get the total contribution ng partnership. And 1/3 man daw yung kay blue. So, multiplied by 1/3. So, meron siyang contribution, cash needed, contribution ni blue na 60 to get 1/3 of the interest or capital ng partnership. Okay? Ayan, so wala may question. Let's proceed to number 2. So, Ugma, mag-quiz ta, Ugma, ha? Kasi, supposed to be tomorrow is our exam, right? But, sabi ni Ma'am, Wednesday na lang daw tayo exam. So, Wednesday tayo exam, din mag-quiz ta, Ugma. Okay? Quiz ta, Ugma. Ayan. So, number 2 naman, in this case, so don't forget if it is assumed or not. No? Ito yung pinaka-importante dito. Kasi like for example, Mateo and Julio formed a partnership on April 1 and contributed the following assets. So, Mateo, cash. Julio naman, Mateo for 300 cash. Si Julio naman is 100 cash and land of 300. And the land was subject to a mortgage of 50,000. Ayan. So, pag mayroong liability, tingnan nyo muna if it is assumed or not. So, but take a look at this one. Sabi dyan, which is assumed by the partnership. So, remember, di ba? Okay. Dun sa discussion natin, if it is assumed, yung liability is assumed, it will be included as part of the liability of the partnership. Okay. So, under the partnership contract, Mateo and Julio will share profits and losses in the ratio of 1/3 and 2/3. So, never mind this one. Kasi this is just a profit sharing ratio. So, now the question, Julio's capital account at April 1 should be, ayan. So, 8, 350,000, B, 300,000, C, 400,000, or D, 450,000. So, to be the
A. Sir, 350,000.
Okay, so how do mo din? Ayan, so the answer is 350,000. Ama. Okay. So, how to compute for 350,000? Let's have a table here.
I-minus 50 sa 300.
Oh, tama. I-minus ang mortgage. So, like for example, kay Mateo and Julio, meron silang cash contribution, 300 or 100 respectively. Land naman for 300,000 kay Julio. And take note, sabi dyan, the land was subject to a mortgage of 50,000. So that's why, deduct mortgage payable na 50,000 kay Julio. So that's why, the capital of Mateo is 300 and kay Julio naman is 350. So, question. May question din, guys.
None po.
And, sige, ako mag-question.
None po, sir.
So, how about, ako mag-question na, how about if sabi sa problem not assumed by the partnership? So, how much will be the contribution ni Julio?
400,000.
Yes, 400. Tama, 400,000. So, bakit siya 400? Kasi hindi kasali yung mortgage payable. So, walang deduction na 50 if the problem mentioned that the liability will not be assumed by the partnership. So, if not assumed by the partnership, hindi nakasali yung liability, and therefore, the capital of Julio will be 400,000. Okay? So, take note ha, pag may liability, check nyo muna if it is assumed or not. And alam nyo naman, di ba, if it is non-cash, all of non-cash assets are recorded or measured at fair value. When it comes to liability, take note lang sa muna if it is assumed or not. Okay. Let's have yung number 3. Ayan. So ito, murag kaniyang pinaka-bibo sa tanan. So Elsa and Perla formed a new partnership. So Elsa invest 300,000 in cash for 60% interest. in the partnership. And the profits of the business, and then Perla contributes land that has an original cost of 40 and a fair market value of 70,000, and a building that has a tax basis of 50,000 and a fair market value of 90,000. The building is subject to 40,000 mortgage that the partnership will assume. Assume ng partnership, so therefore, kasali yung mortgage payable. What amount of cash should Perla contribute? So, merong additional contribution si Perla. Aside from the land and building, magko-contribute daw siya ng cash. And by how much? Yun yung question. Is it A, 40,000, B, 80,000, C, 110,000, or D, 150,000? Yeah. So the answer for this one is
80,000.
letter
B. B.
B, sir. B.
How mo lagi mo no? So tama, B ang answer, 80,000. So ano mo day mo ni di ay? So how come is 80,000? Ayan. So, syempre, let's compute. Ayan. Kung magkano pala yung total contribution ni Perla. So, si Perla contributed land. So, what will be the basis of land? Again and again, if non-cash asset, it will be based
Fair
on
market value.
market value. So, that's why 70,000. If it is building, again, take note for this one, fair market value, right? But take note also na meron siyang liability. So that's why it is deducted to compute for the net amount of the building na 40,000. Is it 40 ba? Malinin siya na, dapat 15 siya na. Ito ha. Ayan. Okay. So again, land 70, building 90 minus 40, so dapat 50,000. Okay, 50,000. So sige ka ng building na 90,000, 90,000 is the fair market value. So disregard mo yung tax basis kasi sabi sa problem, sa theory na part, diba, the non-cash asset is measured at fair market value. And then the mortgage, since it is assumed, no? So yun naka-underline, sabi dyan, assume. Partnership will assume. Yan. So kasali yung mortgage. So deducted yung mortgage na 40. So the total contribution of Perla is 120. Then what should be the contribution of Perla? Diba magkano yung kay Elsa nga percentage? Is 60%, diba? So that's why we base 300,000 yung contribution ni Elsa at saka yung 60% niya to compute for the total contribution of Elsa and Perla. So yung total contribution should be kay Elsa and Perla is 500,000. They multiply, sige ka na 40%, sir, wala man diri sa problem, sir, given a 40%. Remember as a whole, ayan, if 60% kay Elsa, so magkano yung kay Perla? So siyempre kay Perla should be 40%. So that's why multiply by 40% as the capital contribution should be, or interest ni Perla in the partnership. So 500,000 yung total contribution of Elsa and Perla, multiply by 40%, 40% na share, okay, ni Perla. That's why ang dapat na i-contribute ni Perla is 200,000. But unfortunately, yung na-contribute lang niya is only 120. So that's why meron siyang additional contribution or cash contribution should be na 80,000. So the answer is letter B. Okay? Again, land 470, building net amount at 50, total contribution of Perla 120, and should be contribution ni Perla is 200. Then deduct mo lang yung dalawa, that is the additional cash contribution ni Perla, which is 80,000. Okay, so question po here sa number 3. Sa may question niyo, guys. Wala may question? Sure na good? Guys? Sure na? Sige.
Wala naman, sir.
Wala na,
Wala
sir.
na po, sir.
Si tingala mo no kay ngano 60 atong gigamit diri class kay ang gipangita mga good is ang kay Perla no. So ato ang basis will be for competition is ang kay Elsa. So baliktad if ang kay Elsa ang gipangutana i-divide nato ni sa 40%. Okay, ang kaning total contribution. Ayan. So mga take note lang muna ha. So since si Perla man ato pangutana, ang ato ang basis sa total contribution ang kay Elsa. So balik. Ayan. Sabi sa number 4. So I think this is the same with ano no. Yung sa number 2 I think. So again, ayan. Reyes and Santos drafted a partnership agreement that is the following assets contributed at the partnership formation. And contribution as follows. So si Reyes is meron siyang cash na 200. Santos is also meron siyang cash na 300. Inventory for Santos 150. Building for 400 kay Santos. And equipment for Reyes is 150. And take note that the building is subject to mortgage. So 100 sa liability. Tignan nyo if it is assumed. And ayan, which the partnership has assumed. So therefore, kasali yung liability. The partnership agreement also specifies the profits and losses are to be distributed evenly. So wala itong bearing kasi formation pa po tayo. No? So disregard mo lang po yung profits and loss sharing kasi hindi siya part sa formation ng partnership. Yung profit and loss sharing, this will be used later on okay, sa operation which is yung division of profits and losses o share in profits and losses. So question, what amount should be recorded as capital for Reyes and Santos at the formation of the partnership? Okay. So again, what we're going to do, the answer for this one is letter B pala. 350 tsaka 70. So Reyes and Santos, meron silang cash and inventory for Santos, building also, and equipment na 150. Since sabi dyan the building, so yung building attributable to Santos, no? So that's why it is, merong additional deduction for the mortgage ng building na 100. So the answer for this one is 350 kay Reyes and 750 kay Santos. Okay, so question po. For number 4.
Answer.
So mga how, di mo din no? Question nila guys. Sige, tayo na to. Mangita ko pinakalisod nga. Please. Ay! Sala.
Ayaw na, sir.
Ayun na. Sige. Proceed na ta. That's a number 5. So yung number 5, madali lang to number 5. So what is the answer for number 5? Let's have muna the question. Anton and Boazon form a partnership and agree to divide the initial capital equally, even though Anton contributed 100 and Boazon contributed 84 in identifiable assets under the bonus method to adjust the capital accounts. Boazon's intangible assets should be debited 4. So 3 takes the answer for this one.
8,000, sir.
8 ba?
0, sir.
0.
Zero.
The answer is actually 0. Yeah. Okay, 0 yung answer kasi sabi dyan bonus method. Okay. So under bonus method, kasi dalawa ito class, if you're going to search for this one sa net, dalawa po ito, bonus method and goodwill method. So yung intangible, so yung intangible assets, ang pasabot niya diri is ang katong goodwill. Yung name, okay. So yung like for example, if kasi matingala mo muna nga equally contributed daw sila. But even though si Boazon is 84 lang yung i-contribute and since basig ilado ni si Boazon, so na siya goodwill. Okay. But in this case, since this is bonus method, bonus method does not recognize any intangible assets. So, hindi magre-recognize ng goodwill or intangible assets under bonus method. Take note lang yan ha. Kasi the goodwill, even according to standard, goodwill is wala na siya. Tinanggal na siya ng standard. Wala nang goodwill sa partnership accounting. But some of the books, dinadiscuss gyapon na nila no kasi sa higher accounting na ninyo guys. Kaya ko ang good daw basig maapi sa board exam. So far sa board exam no, wala man naapi lang goodwill. Okay. So bibo ni siya sa goodwill na part. Pag-abot niyo third year, discuss yung goodwill method. But in this case, stick muna sa bonus method no, para di mo madungagan na pa din yung nahuna-una. So bonus method, walang intangible assets. So the answer was 0. Okay? So question po, so number 5.
Sir, yulubi na sir kay wag dito na jud.
Dito, sa yulubi. Sige. Kung mayroon kayo, abin ako 5 ng yulubi. Ano na ginagawa ko? Tatanaw na diba? Nakala sabi, partnership operation, yulubi. Kani kay i-try na kong equal, dili mangyapon sa manu class eh. Unsa kaya ang ratio anin na nakita niyo nga problem?
Kanang tingala kami sir kay wala ratio nga given. Saan kaya na kay constant na ratio sir?
Wala constant nga ratio, wala man i-specify si standard kasi the ratio is based on agreement din. So that's why I put here as the answer bonus sana all.
Bonus, yay!
Yay!
Sana
1
all.
point.
Bitaw okay.
Ako sir,
Try ko na
ang
kung
ratio
equal.
is based sa ilang total nga salaries, ganun.
Maupod
Depende.
ganun akong gikuan.
Wala man mo gawas kung i-try ninyo sa base sa total salaries. Nay mo gawas?
2/3, sir.
Wala man sige. Ato na lang sir kay wala may nakabutang.
Ay makabutan. Dili mo siya
May
ma-2/3.
bonus
Ito
na.
kasi ang salaries, sir.
Ha?
Ang
Oh?
salaries nila, like
Ano
2:3.
Dili man siya 2:3. Yan naman yung pag 2:3.
Kuan, sir.
100 over 150, sir.
100 plus 150. 250, 100
Kuan,
over
sir, ka na.
250.
4:6.
Oh, 46 ka na. Mo na akong gitry. For 40%, 60%. Eh, wala man gihapon.
Wala gani so choices.
Malawes
sir.
term pa man ang 4:6, sir, nga 2:3. Mura naman gihapon siya ginana.
Yes.
Di na pwede. Kaya basta capital, yan eh, dapat 100 plus 150. So, ang denominator is 250, right? So, ang kay Rico is 100 divided by 250. So, 40%. Then, ang kay Roxanne is 150 divided by 250. So, 60%.
60%.
So, 40-60 din. Lahi man ang fraction ni 40-60. 3 over 5 na niyo. 2 over 5. So, yan lang. Kasi nasa
Yes.
binigay ko.
2:3, sir, kay 2 over 5 and 3 over 5 po.
Oh, 2 over 5 and 3 over 5. Wala may magawas nga answer. I-try ninyo.
Yan eh, sir. Gitry mo na mo, sir, pero wag gihapon.
Maghapon,
Balik ko na nato niya.
4:3 kay
Ang 2:3,
Wala.
basig 2:3 siguro nino.
makulangan nilang salaries.
Basi no, basi nun. Pero dito mabut-buta kay wala kulang mo ganun data. And then sabi nga sa standard does not specify kung unsa ang ratio nga ganun. Kasi the ratio is based on the partnership agreement. Mo ni sa isa nga mga corrections na pud sa iyong module. Dagan na kay correction. Kaya ako na isumbong kay sir, dagan na correction yung module sir. So ko kung mga estudyante sa 230 sir, naningkamot pa sila compute sir. Okay.
Sir,
Next
mag-klase
Sir, sila black hat lang dyan na, sir.
Ay, loss. Sige, try na to niya ha. Kani loss man ni siya. I-try na to niya. Cheese lang na to ni siya. Ha? Balik ko lang na to ni. Kasi ito sa number 12-3.
All balikan.
Sige. Let's try muna this
Insert
one.
yun.
Nasa sikuan yun. Nako. Okay, let's have the next one. Yan, number 2. Ay, maklaro man yun. So, kanipod, wala po sa choices. Mukha niya eh.
Bonus na this.
Bonus na po ni siya. Bonus na ni.
Awi,
John,
pinaskuhan
Bonus
naman.
na, sir.
Bonus na nan. Lamos sa mukha niyo. Okay, so Jan, so 2020. But let's try to compute this. Correct. Kasi yung answer diri
34,000, sir.
Tama.
26,600.
26 niya. But the answer is 34. Kasi itong 34 nag-use ko. Stanza to. Ako doon yung isa na all. Okay, so let's have this one. Yeah. Okay. Number 2. So what amount of the bonus to Quesada 2020? So here, the problem here is iyahang gi-appeal as expense ang salaries, interest, and bonus, which is not. Kasi sabi nga natin, it is just a computation in profit sharing. Hindi siya expense. So what they're going to do, i-add back nimo, right? So i-add back nimo ang salaries. So asagi ka ng wala man din ni araw-araw di ay. Pwede na ako ni nabutangan. Wait, ayan. So 5,000, asagi ka ng 5,000. So this is salary of Quesada. Kita niyo? And take note, sabi dyan, a month. A month yan na, pero di ba, ang profit sharing every year end magilan siya. That's why we multiply 12 to compute for the annual salaries na 60,000. Okay? And the next one is ang interest. So ang interest is 5% of the beginning or contributed capital. So 175 times 5% for Basilio and 25,000 times 5% kay Quesada. Okay. Kasi diri siguro ang namali guys, no? Hindi siguro ni 25 no. Kung gano'n kung nakita ni siya nga problem. Hindi lang. Sakay ko ano sa yan. So, as you can see here, the interest is 10,000 total. So, add back mo lang, that is the profit after bonus. Nawala naman ng interest of salaries, no? So, kuha na ni siya. Profit after bonus. Okay, so let's proceed sa continuation niya. Okay. So since this is profit after bonus, so pila man siya guys? 'Di ba this is 75%?
Yes.
'Di ba? Kasi 100 is yung total and then you deduct og bonus ng 25. So ang kaning 75% of the net amount ng bonus. So what you're going to do, divide mo siya to compute for the profit before salaries, before interest, before bonus. So meron siyang 136,000. And then this will be the basis in multiplying the bonus na 25. So meron siyang, the answer is 34,000. Okay? So nasa ko sa inyo yung mga kuandari ano? Panglahi raman yung competition ni lahat diri. Sige, question po. Na may question din guys.
Sir, basic ra ba jud ang basic accounting?
Ko ano niya? Kani partnership guys. This is one subject, dili po siya one. Kani partnership in corpo. One subject gani sa mua dati, isa kasin. Pero karon kay isa naman ni ano tanan. So sige na kay mabalik man ni partnership sa inyong third year. Imo pa na napangutanan no. Scam ang book ni Balyada. Basic accounting. Basic financial accounting and report. Sige na. So kung may question?
Ay, makaabot pa di ag third years.
Abot pa rin na. Pa-survive raman ang accounting. Wala, di man na siya pa-bright eye. Pa-survive man na. Sir, buot ko no. Bila, pa-survive na siya. Kaya na may uban sa mga honors, that is high school. Kaya wala man sila nagpadayon. Hindi na kumuting mo. Tama na. Masing sa akong mastorya dariya. Okay, let's have number 3. So number 3, Abad, a partner in ABC company partnership has a 30% interest in the shares and profits and losses. Saka ni otro po ni maka labado ulo. Abad's capital accounts saw the net decrease in 120 during the year. So kumbaga, na abnormal balance na siya. No? Kaya 120 decrease man. So Abad contributed property with a value of 50 to the partnership and withdrew 260, which was charged against his capital account. So determine the partnership net income during the year. So sa answer niyo dali guys. Hoping na parehas nag-answer.
300,000.
Oh yes, how
300, sir.
ninyo eh. So the answer is actually 300,000. Wow, makamis lagi mo no. So
Si
nakuha
Blackheart
ninyo.
lang yun na, sir.
Si Blackheart lang yun eh. Grabe ni si Blackheart ba? Sige ka itong mga hilig ug mga GL analysis, no? So, let's have this one. Yeah. So, this is the key account for, sino ba yan? Si Abad Capital. And then, remember, meron siyang contribution na 50, right? So, as a gift ka ng contribution na 50 given, no? So, since contribution, so, naasa sa credit side. And ang withdrawal, sabi dyan, charge daw against his capital account. So, meron siyang debit, ako siyang withdrawal, 260,000. Ayan. And sabi dyan, meron siyang net decrease. So, nasa debit side. Okay? So, bakit sa debit? Kasi normal balance sa capital gani.
Credit.
Credit man, no? Di ba? Pag i-credit mo, increase ang capital. So, sabi dyan, net decrease. So, that's why nasa debit side si 120. Okay. Then, work back. Ayan. So, work back nyo ito siya. So, negative 120 for the net decrease. Then, kung saan pag-work back gani class, ang ipang-add mo before, imong ipang-minus. That's why, i-minus mo ang 50 kasi i-add man mo ni siya ang capital contribution. Then, i-plus mo balik ang withdrawal. Okay? Kasi i-minus man mo ni sa capital, di ba? So, that's why it has 90,000 share in profit. Okay? So, 90,000 ang share sa profit. Pero ang question, sige ang question yan, the partnership net income or loss. So, share ni Abad. So, pila gani ang percentage profit and loss ni sharing ni Abad? 30%, right? So, that's why 90,000 divided by 30%, so meron siyang 300,000. Okay? So, question po. So, pasensya na ha. Ay, medyo bibo mo na inyong mga assignment there. I thought this is just murag pang quiz ball na yung mga assignment. Di ba na may question? Agad lang, namura kong kuwan.
Balik na daw sa 1, sir.
Abag sa 1. Sige. Asa na ganito. Okay. Exit ko na lang niya. Wala ko ka-prepare sa 1. Solution. Ayan. Wait a minute. Pagdali Joby, kinapakay 3 minutes. So as you can see here, problem number 1, Rico and Roxanne receive salaries for 100,000 and 150,000. So here, salary allowance. This is kay Rico and Roxanne. Ayan. So yung salary allowance ni Rico, magkano yun sa 100,000? 100,000 kay Rico. Then ang kay Roxanne is 150. So how much the total? Total is 250,000. And the remainder. Ayan. So assuming let's change this one. The remainder, profits and losses divided equally. So change this one, divided equally. How much spelling? Double L. Para mas madali na lang, divided equally na lang ha. So question here is how much the remainder. Take a look at this one. The problem is meron siyang loss na 110. Okay? So since this is loss, so negative 110.
Minus the 50.
And then, minus ang katon 250 na, pag-ikay na lang ako nila. 250, isbog Rico, isbog Roxanne, ayan. So meron siyang, how much the remainder? The remainder now is 360, no? And since this is negative. So baka siya 360 kasi nga negative and then a negative also. So meron siyang or add same sign and then copy the sign. So as you can see negative 360. And then it will be divided equally, so divided by 2. So ilan man?
180,000.
180 na. Then this is also 180. So this is 360, right? 360. Ayan. So the share in loss. So meron siyang how much the share in loss ang kay ano?
80
Wala.
plus
This is
3.
80. Negative 80 na. So 80. Hate this one. Oh, I thought nawala na ko. Then this is 30.
30,000.
So 80 plus 30, 110.
110.
Which is correct no kasi 250 minus 360 meron sa 110. So nga nakapag-loss is i-add nimo sa total 250 negative 110 and then